So let's see how to answer when people introduce themselves. Enchanted or delighted. Sorry, there is this little thing that should not be here after the day. Enchanté. So you can see that you've got the two options. You've got the masculine form and then the feminine form. Basically, you will pronounce them exactly the same way. So enchanté, enchanted, delighted. It's extremely formal. Okay, so if you're meeting, well, friends or I mean people that non-formal context, maybe you don't really want to go there. But it's really up to you. It's extremely polite. Same thing here. Pleased to meet you. Ravi de vous connaître. As you can see, I've been putting the masculine form and the feminine form too. You put this extra but then remember that you don't pronounce it, so it's exactly the same pronunciation whether it's for a man or a woman. Ravi de vous connaître. Ravi de vous connaître. Same thing here. It's really, really polite. And that's what you want to be. It is a pleasure to meet you. C'est un plaisir de vous rencontrer. C'est un plaisir de vous rencontrer. C'est un plaisir de vous rencontrer. It's a pleasure to meet you. We could also say c'est un plaisir de faire votre connaissance. C'est un plaisir de faire votre connaissance. C'est un plaisir de faire votre connaissance. Voilà.